Alright, so we're working right now on the, I want to say, '06 Dodge Durango 4.7 liter. And what we just did was we dropped the rack and pinion. It was leaking. So around this area here. See, the inner tie rod is really bad, so are the outer ones. As you can see here, pretty busted up. And we're going to go ahead and install the new one back in there. It was a little bit difficult to get out of there because, of course, after you remove the little frame, you also have to get these bolts out of the exhaust. So you're going to need you some PB blaster. As you can see here, you got the exhaust pretty low there. So we're going to have to bolt that one back up. And we only took one out of the other side. Got it down just enough. Couldn't even get the screws all the way out. We just kind of pried the pinion out from right here. So remember, for all of your mobile mechanic needs, send us a text message at 214-791-7037. We'll come to you and we'll give you a quote online. So go ahead and send us a message.